So for variant analysis, mapping is a really crucial step because it allows you to find and define the variance. You do this completely based on the mapping results. So variant analysis will not work well with very short reads. So you need reads that are at least 100 bases long, or even better, a mixture of short Illumina reads or VIB reads that are 150 nucleotides and long reads coming from PacBio or Nanopore. Additionally, you have to use a very accurate mapper. So that brings you to these two choices. You either use BWA-MEM or BWA-MEM2, which is the updated version of BWA. It does exactly the same, but is faster. So of these two, BWA-MEM is the oldest. It was specifically designed for mapping reads for variant analysis, and it can handle mapping reads to alternate haplotypes of the human genome, something that the other mappers cannot do. It's a very accurate mapper, but it's very slow. That's why they built a second version that is a bit faster. Minimap 2 is the youngest of the two. It was originally designed to map long reads generated by PacBio and Oxford Nanopore, but it proved to be as accurate as BWA-MEM on short Illumina reads and 3 times as fast. So this is why more and more people are switching to Minimap 2, also for small reads. All other applications that involve DNA reads, like ChIP-seq analysis, will use Bowtie or Bowtie 2, or Minimap, for mapping the reads to the genome. So both BWA-MEM and Bowtie, they work in more or less the same way. They perform a BLAST-like alignment, so an alignment that is also done by the BLAST tool that you will probably know, that you use for aligning sequences to a whole database of sequences. So what do? They chop the reads up into smaller overlapping sequences that they again call seeds, and they align these seeds to the reference genome. What's the difference between the two? So BWA-MEM loads the whole genome in the memory of your computer, so it needs a lot of memory. Bowtie chops the genome up into smaller pieces and puts these in the memory of your computer. As a result, Bowtie is faster than BWA-MEM, but Bowtie is a little less accurate. There are two versions of Bowtie, Bowtie and Bowtie 2. It's not that Bowtie 2 is the newest version, no, both are okay, both are the same age. So Bowtie is meant for very short reads, shorter than 50 bases, and Bowtie 2 is meant for longer reads, longer than 50 bases. Minimap 2 cuts both the genome and the reads into seeds and tries to match these. So as a result, it's a lot faster than BWA-MEM and Bowtie. So all these mappers are command line tools that are integrated into Galaxy.